Yes, hello now, good day family. Boy Reflect, Chronicles of HP. Um, I'm around here today. At the background you can see the famously known Pineapple Building, the Manasupe House. It was once the Prime Minister's office. Now also the Prime Minister's office with Tamlo. Yeah, nothing else but I came around today around this place, this part of Port Moresby, and I decided that I should shoot a video and give some updates and daily life here at this time, at the hour of the day. Thank you very much, and like you, Loane much love and stay blessed, kids.
Today's a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness in a car. I'm in that's what I say. What do I want pay? We should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Oh, yeah.